Are you stuck at home? Do you need exercises? Well, you've come to the right video, because I'm going to show you that you don't need any exercises to get fit fast. Alright, exercise number 1. The plank. Now, you can do different variations of the plank. Now, this is for somebody that just started. They have taken some time off. They want to get back into it. So, start with the plank. You want to do a forearm plank on your forearms and on your toes. And you also want to do a full, I like to call a full plank. And you can put your hands right on the floor like you're about to do a push-up. Hold that position. Try to focus on squeezing the core, also squeezing the glutes. The second core exercise that I'm going to have you do is the side plank. Now, keeping with the same theme, the front plank gets the abdominal muscles in the front and the deeper abdominal muscles, but also the side plank, you can't forget about the sides, right? The obliques, and it's going to also help you with shoulder stability and also core stability, and overall just developing a solid core musculature. We're moving on to body part number 2. Yes, the legs. So we're going into the legs. Of course, the squat is going to be the best at-home exercise with just your body weight. You can increase tempo, you can slow it down. There's different ways to make it harder, and you just want to focus on going as low as you can and then coming all the way up and just squeezing the quads and the glutes. You want to focus on make sure that these muscle groups are doing most of the work and it's not your back or your knees that are doing the work. Yes, it is a knee exercise, but you don't want aching and pains in your knee. This is where it comes on to you to make sure that you're doing it properly. So the squat is focused more on the front of the body and the front of the legs, so we want to focus on do the second leg exercise and focus on the back. And the best is lying on your back, doing a glute bridge, single glute bridge, and then glute bridge hops where you be more explosive, trying to squeeze the glutes and get good glute development, and incorporating things like bands and holds are ways that you can make it more hard and progress through your journey. Alright, so we have made it to the upper body. So again, these couple exercises, you're going to do it in a circuit format, but you're going to create that foundation where you can keep going with these exercises and building exercises and building momentum. So day after day, week after week, month after month, you're going through, you're progressing slowly towards your goal. So the first exercise is going to be to get the back muscles and to strengthen posture, which is, some people consider this a core exercise, but I'm going to put this in the upper body category, and it's the Superman. So you're going to lie on your stomach and you're going to reach your arms out all the way and really try to reach your tops of your hands all the way up towards the ceiling. And this is going to strengthen the back. It's going to give you better postural muscles, and it's just going to put your muscles overall in a better position. And a lot of people have weakness, especially sitting on the computer, staring on your phone, being pointed down, playing video games, watching TV, etc. So give this one a try. I think you'll like it. Alright, this one isn't new. It's been around forever, and it's the push-up. And a lot of people struggle with the push-up because it's not that easy. And most likely, if you're struggling with it, you need to put it in your program and make it so it becomes easier and you're stronger at the movement. Now, people that can't do it, the best way that I found to have people get better at this is obviously practice it, but to work the negative portion of the movement. So if you don't know what that means, it just means you're going to go slow on the way down. So as your chest is going towards the ground, you're going as slow as possible, whether that's on your toes in a full position, or if you even need to modify it a little bit more, just go on your knees and lower yourself all the way down to the ground as slow as possible. Once you hit the ground, take a second break, reset yourself up to the top, and then slowly go all the way down until your chest hits the mat or the floor. There you have it. 6 exercises that you can develop an overall foundation and to get you moving and developing the strength and musculature that you need to live a better life, to look better, give yourself more confidence, and the list goes on and on of the benefits of exercise. But that's not the reason for this video, so I'm gonna stop it there. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.